Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover from the handle. And I'll need to remove just one of the bolts on the top of the handle. Now I have access to the switch. I'll go ahead and remove the screw that secures it to the housing. I'll pull the switch away from the housing, remove the dust cover, and note the location of each of the wires. Then I can go ahead and remove the wires. Now I can install the new switch. First, I'll reconnect the motor wires. And now the cord wires. I'll reinstall the dust cover and install the switch into the housing. I'll secure the switch to the housing with the screw. And now I'll tuck the wires out of the way so they don't get pinched by the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And that's how you can install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up